Hello friends, today as it's a hot sunny summer day, I thought why not make a great to go refreshing summer cooler. So today I'm making a watermelon cooler with yogurt, or you can also call watermelon smoothie. The ingredients are very simple, so let me quickly get started. 1 large bowl of watermelon cut into cubes, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 5 to 6 cubes of ice, 4 to 5 minutes for garnishing. So in a blender, I'm adding all the ingredients excepting the mint, and I'm going to blend it until it becomes like a smoothie. Now I'm pouring the summer cooler into the serving glass. If you want, you can garnish it with mint leaves. So here is the refreshing summer cooler for you to enjoy with your friends and family on any summer day to feel refreshed and hydrated for a long time. Comment below to let me know how was it. Please subscribe to my channel Soumiz World for more recipes. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.